Alright, today we are having a look at the Sony WH-H910N headphones. They're also known as the H.Ear on 3 wireless noise cancelling headphones, depending on where you live. And we're going to do an ear pad installation. Let's do it. Alright, just to show you what you're getting into, we have the earphone face here. You can see there is 6 little clips here. They have a tooth or an edge on the inside of the clip, and that attaches to the ear pad on the back. You can see it has these 6 little slots, and they fit in there and basically hook underneath those plastic slots. Now the ear pad itself, it has a little seam on the bottom of the ear pad. Other than that, there isn't really a bottom or a top. You could literally install it the wrong way because the back frame is the same, top and bottom. Alright, so this installation is fairly straightforward. What you will need is a dull table knife to do the removal of the ear pads. And what you're going to do is basically just look here on the side. You can see there's a gap between the plastic headphone and the ear pad. And you can also see, if you pull down the leather, you can see there's a plastic frame that is part of the ear pad. You basically just want to get the knife and put it between these 2 areas here and pull up. So I'll just use my hand to pull this a little bit so that it creates more of a gap. Put the knife in and then pull up, and you'll hear it clip or unclip. Now once it unclips, you don't want to just pull it off. You want to keep going around with the knife. Because of the way the teeth are, they have like the plastic like this, and then there's a little tooth that comes over like this, and it hooks onto that plastic. If you remove part of the ear pad like so, so these ones here are, well, that came off pretty easy. But anyways, if you remove part of the ear pad and then you just yank the other half off, the odds are you're gonna actually have it still connected to the plastic, and you'll probably break either the tooth here or the back of the ear pad. Now obviously the back of the ear pad doesn't matter that much because you're getting new ear pads, but if you break the clip here, that's gonna be a pain. So what you wanna do is, we'll start over. Let's just go all the way around. Hold it like that. 1. And there you go. Just like that. So it is very much straightforward.
If this video is helping you out, Monty the AHG dog wants you to smash that like button and share it with a friend, because this is how he gets more biscuits. Don't forget that 60% of the time, it's a great idea every time to subscribe and hit those bell notifications and stay in the loop with all of our news, reviews, and how-tos.
Now when you get the new ear pad, so you're just going to look at the back, you can see that it has those 6 little slots. And all you do is have to line it up to the headphone here with the 6 little slots, so like so. And once you have it in place, you're just going to push down with medium force. You'll go all the way around, so push down all the way around. You'll hear it clicking in, and then once it no longer clicks, it's on. Just do that for both sides. You're all done. If you have any questions, drop them down below.